Hey guys! As promised, here's the review of the UAG Scout Series cover for the iPad Pro 12.9-inch, which requires a smart keyboard folio from Apple. Inside the box is the cover with an instruction sheet in order to guide you how to install the product. Putting the cover on is quite simple. Simply remove the smart keyboard folio from your iPad and insert it into the case slowly by pushing each corner securely. And then, once you're ready, insert the iPad Pro back and secure the corners as well. When the iPad is laid flat on the table, I don't really find it any different from how I used it before. For people who are used to drawing or writing with their palms resting on the screen, the slight bump across the edge of the iPad might bother you, but for me, I don't really mind it. In fact, I quite like how it looks. As I'm used to working with the keyboard folio on, it doesn't really feel any different. The only gripe I have about it is that it's a little bit heavier. Despite that, I think it's a small price to pay for a sturdier and more secure iPad. UAG is a famous brand for creating covers for a lot of devices, and you can see that they're really good at it. I like how thoughtful the design is. There's a right placement of access holes for camera, the USB port, speakers, and the volume. Also, adding a slot for the Apple Pencil was a really nice touch. I like how it sits comfortably on the edge of the screen. Now, I am not afraid of taking the iPad out for a walk even without a bag. I used to be too conscious of holding the iPad properly because the pencil always falls when I walk. But now, I no longer need to. And I like the added texture that the cover brings. It feels sturdier and more secure in my hand, and I'm not afraid of dropping the iPad anymore. The keyboard works perfectly with the cover. Even if you adjust the viewing angles, the cover stays in place. It doesn't wobble even if you add a little bit of pressure as you use the Apple Pencil. Whether you're editing a video or drawing on the iPad, it's really smooth. I ordered it from the UAG website. The current price is $60 or around 83 Singapore dollars. Shipping to Singapore is quite fast as they have a regional warehouse in Hong Kong. From the time I placed the order on the website to the time I received the item, it took around 8 days. For me, it's a valuable investment and I really like using it. Having it with me gives me peace of mind, and that in itself makes it worth it. And that's all for this review of the Scout Series cover for the iPad Pro. Hope you enjoyed this review. Leave your thoughts in the comments down below, and if you enjoyed watching this, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. See you again next time.